So I want to take this opportunity, in terms of understanding how technical analysis has actually helped you because you worked through geographies and you worked through asset classes. And I also want to take something away from the budding chartists that are there in the industry in terms of how or where they should focus on in terms of how they can grow in their careers.
The best answer I can give you is I got into trading and the financial worlds because of the few books I read, and I got very intrigued of how successful these investors were or traders were.
Okay.
Right, and when I delved into technical analysis or chartists in the first few years of my career, I think I was all over the shop. Right, I wanted to learn as many indicators that they were out there.
Okay.
And and apply them to the best of my ability, and I kept learning more and more stuff. But the reality is, as you mature in the technical analysis field and your calling will come to, bottom line is 3 or 4 or maybe 5 indicators at best, and you will realize that if you define those 5 criterias or 5 indicators to the best of what works for you, right? That is where it comes down to.
Right.
And I think, of course, from anyone starting anew and a budding chartist, starting afresh, that calling will only come after a period of time, after he has dwelled into maybe 10, 15, 20 different indicators.
Right.
And the reality is, after you've looked at the entire spectrum, you realize, okay, fine, this is the top 5 indicators that work for me.
Right.
And more importantly, as you mature, you will realize the more you simplify it, the more you simplify the process,
right,
the less complicated technical analysis gets.
Okay.
Because the reality is, technical analysis as a concept of someone starting can be quite inundating because of the entire realm of what it, the jargon, the different, within technical analysis, there are, probably 50 different patterns that you look at.
Right.
So the reality is, what you come back to gravitates towards what your inclination is, what you understand the best, right? As with anything, you would give career advice to anyone, which is that, follow your passion. Even in technical analysis, follow your passion in terms of what you understand. You may be using a different method and having very successful results.
Right.
If I try and implicate that in my trading, I will get very different set of results.
Right.
The reality is, what more important in technical analysis is, every trader needs to realize that it is a process, it is a risk management system, and at the end of the day, you need to make money, right?
Right.
If you basically amalgamate these 3 concepts in any technical analysis and have your risk processes right, you will evolve into a better trader over a period of time.
Right. So that's perfectly said, right? Because I have been in the markets for maybe 15 years, and I've kind of gone through that whole process of realizing that what works best, what isn't best for me.